What's up, guys? My name's Tyler. Welcome to another edition of the Lawn Review. Today, the sun's out, the birds are chirping, the bugs are flying. What does that mean for most of us with lawns? That means it's about time to put down your pre-emergence, your fertilizers, your things of that nature. And today we've got a product for you that says it does all of it. So stick around, let's check it out. Today we've got the Scott's Triple Action Turf Builder. Now I'll be honest, when I think of triple action, I think of the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, triple action combo that I've never had any success with. I think it either like screwed up my skin or didn't really feel like it conditioned my hair. I don't understand how all three could be in the same container. So I always kind of shied away from it. This claims to do kind of something similar. It claims to kill, prevent, and feed. And we're going to take a look at each three and really dive into each one of those three categories. All right, so the kill portion of that three-headed monster, right? Kill, prevent, feed. Kill, it claims to kill dandelion and clover amongst other weeds. Now, it markets dandelion and clover because that's what the majority of us deal with. And it will kill those dandelion and clover if you have them in your lawn. But bear in mind that it's going to leave a dead spot that you're going to have to refill or reseed over. So it will be unsightly for a little bit. But also keep in mind that you really need to apply this when you don't expect rain within the next 24 hours because it's going to just wash that off, the formula off of those weeds. The second portion of that triad is prevent, and it claims to prevent crabgrass for 4 months. Okay, crabgrass is the bane of my existence. So I've tried this before. Honestly, I haven't seen a lot of crabgrass in it, so perhaps it's working. It's one of those things that it's kind of hard to tell. It claims to be a pre-emergent, so it's going to prevent a lot of stuff like crabgrass, barnyard grass, things of that nature. So it acts as a post-emergent in the first portion and then a pre-emergent in the second portion. All right, so guys, that third and final piece, the fertilizer feed portion of this blend. Now, this is the part where kind of this product falls a little flat for me, if I'm being honest. Most fertilizers, and I'm just gonna have to give you a fertilizer primer for this to sort of make sense if you don't know. Fertilizers are often branded in a ratio or three sets of numbers. So you got a number, dash number, dash number. The first number is the nitrogen. Second number is the phosphate. And that third number is the potassium. Nitrogen, think green. That's what makes your lawn green. Phosphate, that's what helps with root development, deep, strong, healthy roots, and also with cellular development, making sure you got strong cells to your grass. The third element is potassium, which is, you can think of that as kind of the vitamin C, vitamin D blend for your fertilizer and for your lawn. So that helps prevent any sort of diseases, helps your grass fight off those diseases. Now this product is a 1601 blend. Most lawn care experts, if you haven't tested your soil, are going to recommend you do a 4-to-1 ratio. Now you can tell that this is way off in that ratio. So what this fertilizer is going to do is going to make sure that your grass is really, really green. Obviously has no phosphate in it, so it's not going to do anything to help establish good, healthy roots that can withstand droughts and things of that nature. And then very little potassium, so very little nutrients in terms of helping your grass fight off any sort of diseases. So that's kind of the portion of this product that is not as great as the first two. Now what you can do is you can apply this product, and you can also just get a fertilizer that's specific for potassium and specific for phosphate. So that's kind of a workaround that you could do if you were dead set on using this product, or it was really important for you. You're in a draft susceptible area, or your area is prone to disease or whatever, or the type of grass that you're growing is prone to disease. So that's a potential workaround if you're dealing with this product and you're concerned with that. All right, so let's get down to the nitty gritty on this one. Would the Lawn Review recommend you guys go out and buy this product? Now, what we pride ourselves on at the Lawn Review is to provide clear, concise, hopefully entertaining, and honest feedback on products. This particular product has its niche. If you don't want to bother going to get a post-emergent, pre-emergent, fertilizer, putting them all three down separately, and that whole shebang, time it right with the weather and everything, like that, then absolutely, this is a great product for you. If you want to have your house featured in, Better Home and Garden magazine, like I said, this is probably not going to be the product for you. But if you're a casual, like most people, you just want to put something down that is going to help your lawn, then absolutely, yes, we would recommend this. I think it's a great product. I've used it. I'll probably continue using it. And so yeah, I think it's great. I think Scott's put out a good product here. Guys, thanks for checking out this product review. If you liked what you saw, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would really help us out. Also, make sure you're following us on our Instagram page at The Lawn Review. But as always, make sure you're checking out our website. We're going to link it below, thelawnreview.com. That's where you're going to find the most comprehensive, in-depth analysis of these products. Thanks for checking us out. We'll see you next time. Keep cutting.